Here's a 2008 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. Features include inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, 8-way driver's seat control, auxiliary audio input, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, 3 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. Consumer Guide explains that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cements its reputation as a good buy in its class. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.